Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Alien Power Cleaning or Cleaner.com. So as you can see, you have it here on their website. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a detergent or something that cleans anything, basically. So for example, if your fence would look or your floor would look like this, you just apply Alien Cleaning and then it will be shiny and spick and span. So if you're wondering if this is legit or not, I haven't found any information online, and this seems to be very fake. As you can see, it is too good to be true. That is just impossible, since just by spraying, as you can see, all of the dust or of the dirt has been removed. So that's very misleading. And if you're wondering if this is legit or not, I would advise you to not buy this product or do some more research about this product if you're planning on buying it, since there isn't a lot of information about this product. And then if you really want to clean something from your house, I would advise you to buy something else and then just buy something from the local mart or local supermarket that will get the job much better than this one, since this one isn't very famous yet and there isn't a lot of information about it. So please, I would advise you to go with caution before buying this. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.